They don't ask for video. Machala.
Oh my god, Asake totally just ignores Davido and refused to put him on his album, his Longo Boy album, which is currently trending and is #1 on Apple Music album charts in Nigeria. And also the song he made with Wizkid MMS, Mr. Money Sounds, is the #1 song in Nigerian music, Apple Music Nigeria. He totally just ignores Davido and refused to feature Davido on his album. We all remember that time where Davido always says in interview that he has been chatting Olamide up to have Asake in his song, to feature Asake in a song of his. But then again, did that happen? Yes, that happened. That was no competition, right? But now Asake's turn to feature Davido, but Asake refused to feature Davido or have Davido on his album. Now this is selfish, right? This is very selfish. But Asake has also come on Instagram live to claim that Davido was not on his song, because it was not on his album, rather, because he literally wasn't waiting or wasn't ready for Davido in that album. He actually has a song with Davido, yes, and it's coming out in no distant time from now, right? So Asake is currently making song with the OGs. I also wish Asake can make songs with the likes of Rema, Odomodo, and people like Fireboy. Okay, he has songs with Fireboy already. Let's say people like Black Sheriff. Yeah, I just mentioned Black Sheriff, but I'll substitute Black Sheriff for Timaya. So now you've heard almost the summary of what Asake is doing on Instagram live. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the clip yourself, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, get subscribed to the channel, and I got your back. Let me know in the comment section what you really want from us. Thank you.
Why didn't you add Davido? Would you not do future with Davido? Me and Obi still have songs now, but this is time for this one. So it'll be time for that one too.
Shout out to Asake. I'm a very, very big fan of him and his story, and just the way he just came out and just scattered everywhere. I was just like, I'm gonna have to get him on my album, and just his style and everything. And I just wanted to work with him, so I DM'd the boss man, Bado. I didn't know it Asake first though.
You went to your brother first.
Oh, I went to my brother first.
Rick, how did you feel when you knew you'll be featuring Big Wiz? Machala. I didn't even know how to put Wiz on the song, to be honest. Like, I had someone in mind before to put on that song. Then something happened. I think P Prime played it for Wiz, and Wiz was like, oh, I fuck with this song, and Wiz jumped on it. And I was like, Alhamdulillah. Big shout out to Machala, #1 song in the country. What made you go with Asha? I think the idea behind Asha is, can you help me bring the volume down?